Let's make some baked spaghetti. Start by sauteing onions in olive oil. After the onions are translucent, add some garlic, and then a pound of whatever meat you want. Brown your meat and break it up as you cook it. To boil your noodles, salt your water. I'm using this chia pasta to be a little bit healthier. Cook your pasta according to the directions. I season my meat with garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. Once the meat is done, you're going to add it to your noodles and then add a jar of your favorite marinara sauce. Mix all of that together. You can add extra seasonings if you would like. I'm going to add some basil and some Italian seasoning to this. Next, you're going to want to grease a casserole pan and you're going to dump this noodle sauce beef mixture into a casserole pan. I top mine with some mozzarella cheese. You can also use Asiago, but I didn't have any. I'm also going to add some shredded Parmesan to the top. This next step is optional. I sprinkled some breadcrumbs for color. You don't have to do this. And then I added more Parmesan cheese. It's the powdery stuff out of the can. Again, this is optional if you don't like it. You're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. This is what it looks like when it's done. I remember growing up having baked spaghetti at church on Sundays. My fiance from Colorado has never even heard of baked spaghetti. So I got to introduce this dish to him. It made my heart really happy. And here is a picture of me plating it. Look at that gooey cheese. It's pretty much the same thing as spaghetti, but you know how Southern people like to turn everything into a casserole? And more cheese always just makes me happy. I made some Texas toast garlic bread, and this was our Sunday dinner. Please like and follow for more. Thank you so much.